Got on my boots, got on my best cologne. Girl, I can't wait to see what you got on. Yeah, whatever it is, I know it's hot. Baby, your smile's gonna hit the spot. As soon as my headlights shine on you, this town ain't gonna know what to do. We're tearing it up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be short and a lot of sweet. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. To make a long story short, we've decided to do a little bit of yard work in the back. And I've decided that since now we cut some trees, we got to get rid of some stumps. And we got to get rid of some stumps. What better way to do it than to make the old workhorse work? Currently, right now, if you're new to the channel, I have a 2010 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD with the Duramax LMM in it and a 6-speed Allison transmission. I've had no problems with this truck whatsoever. It's been a very, very solid vehicle since I bought it. I've had it for about 3 years now. It's tuned and deleted now. It wasn't like that when I got it. I bought it completely stock. And I'm currently doing a maintenance schedule or cycle for it, if you will. I've decided to take a break from that, put her to work, and kind of basically just see how she goes. I've towed a couple things with it being deleted, and it's phenomenal. I can't tell you guys how much it's opened up doing this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully Greta isn't too mad at me, but it is how it is. This is America. So other than that, without further ado, I'm going to roll some of that footage, so hope you guys enjoy it.
How dare you! How dare you! How dare you? How dare you?
Alright guys, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. This truck sounds amazing, especially since I deleted it. I deleted about 175,000 miles, and it's been nothing but great. Very happy with it. It sounds amazing. It performs. I mean, it just feels like it's got more power. The power's right there. It's a lot faster. Fuel economy went up. I'm just really happy that I did it. So I decided to get a couple clips, and like I said, I didn't intend on making a whole video like this, but it just worked out that way. It is what it is, you know. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed that. Plus, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more stuff coming down. We're going to finish our maintenance going. We're going to do a transfer case flush. I'm also going to do a transmission flush as well, with changing the internal and external filter. I got some squeaks in the front and the rear we're going to take care of. I got some body work that I'm going to do. My box is a typical Michigan GM truck box. It's starting to rust, so I'm going to try to fix that. I got some fender flares to cover that for a while, until I decide to get a new box. I'm going to be doing some frame work. I'm going to do some test paints to see how they do, if they can stack up to Michigan winters. In the spring, I might be doing the whole frame of the truck. We're gonna make that thing look really nice. And other than that, we'll see how it goes. We got a lot of stuff coming to the channel, like I said. I still got that surprise. Part of that surprise is already in the truck for you guys. Haven't had any time to get the rest of it in there, so bear with me on that. I'm not trying to string you guys along. Either way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button and or comment. I'd love to see both from you guys. I like to work hard. I like to make this truck work hard, basically, because it sounds amazing. So if you guys like that type of content, I'll get more workhorse stuff out there for you guys. And basically, you know, just more videos, clips for people who are on the fence of either deleting their trucks or building a truck like this. You know, this puts us out there to see if, you know, you like the way it sounds, you like the way it works. You know, if you like the type of parts to put it in, if that's something you're comfortable doing yourself. So, other than that, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you on the flip side.